Welcome to Crawl or No Crawl. This is Carolyn Holzman, and today is November 16th. For new viewers, this is a project where I daily look at the indexation results by publishing test pages with two keywords, one in simple HTML to test for general rendering, that's the first pass, and JavaScript to test for the complex rendering, which occurs in the second pass of your content through the rendering machine, as Google calls it. Now, all of this information is publicly available on the Indexation Research Log. This is where I log dates and times and updates, and you can find it on American Way Media. Let me just show you what it looks like. And this is on the index detector page, and you can find it by searching actually for Google Index Detector if you are adventurous. Okay, so what I do here is I let you know what is the last time, the most recent time that index simple content and the JavaScript was found as testing on. So that was this morning. And then I also confirm that, that they're rendering. Why is that important? Well, if you're just getting at the first crawl and you're not getting a full render, you're not going to be served. They need to do both pieces, and that's the way it works. Now, today, let's go back to the log. So today was a test day. That's what these little hash marks indicate. And new content was launched, published, requested, crawled, and rendered at 7:52. Now, how do I know all this? I look in the log and I saw, for instance, on this page, the mobile Googlebot version 19, which is they're all different by their Chrome builds. That's what makes them update. So the latest Chrome build did the initial HTML crawl, and then Googlebot 17, I'll show you I've got a thing for the bots too, I'll show you that. The bots did the full rendering of that page. And basically, the server log tells you, like, for instance, in this case, when you see it, it's like, hey, I'm Googlebot 17, and I've been sent to crawl these page resources because I heard about your page from Googlebot 19. And this is what I mean when I say they're testing the bots against each other. It's more, I guess, really not testing necessarily. I'm sure that's what they're doing, but you kind of view it as tag teaming on new content. So, as you can see, new content was found this morning, and it was Monday's test page, testing on for both simple and JavaScript. So right now you can expect about 48 hours indexation of your new content, but that's if you submit through the Google Indexing API. Now, despite very low crawl rates, what we're seeing is that we're still able to get new content through. Now, if you are using Search Console to request indexing of your new content, that is your new content, not existing content that you updated, go ahead and do that. But new content, if you use Search Console to request it, or if you do what John Mueller recommends, just submit your sitemap and, frankly, wait 2 months before they crawl your new page. Not for me. All right, so let's look at the bots. All right, we're still reading kind of low on the weather, as you saw on the chart. So we are, like I said, over here, this blue area is the mobile version of the bots. So you can kind of still see, they're still tag teaming or testing. And it's very common that Google runs 2 Chrome builds. This was very odd because I believe MobileBot 18 was a failed bot. I don't think it was not useful. Let's put it that way. So that's why we're kind of going from 17 to 19. I talked about that earlier in the week. So today, if you're wondering, let's see, why your current edited content might not be getting such quick love, it may be because of the desktop bots do the for edited content, they do the refresh rendering. So it's kind of in short supply, as you can see. Now, these are not picture bots. They don't have any Chrome built to them. It's all the ones over here that have Chrome builds. These two show up all the time. This one does some rendering, and this one typically does all the directive files. So for new content, I think it's okay. I'm still seeing like a rollback from the November 9th test. And despite Search Console assurances that it is indexed, it is, but it's just not being served. All right, stay tuned. Post any questions or comments or observations in the comments. If you like hearing about SEO tests, tune into this week's Confessions of an SEO. I've already launched 5 new ones since I returned from SEO Rockstars. Super, super fun. And also, you want to check out anything about the Forensic SEO Training course, just go to forensicseotraining.com and use the form to get on the early bird list. You can find all about it. All right, take care. Bye.